It's a really pretty day in Zone 8B. So, your auntie's about to go garden, okay?
They are trying so hard to find all the weaknesses inside, but it's gonna spill. Oh, can we take a minute, turn and face the critics? Let's put flowers in our hair like we don't care. And there's a village clown pose, nobody's stopping our groove. Oh, that's good, it's just you and me. And making me laugh with your moves, ain't no stopping our groove. Oh, that's good, it's just you and me.
It's a really pretty day out in Zone 8B, and I have to transplant a couple plants, so I thought I'd take you along. Okay, these are two papaya trees that I planted from seed last summer. I have a video about that. I'll link it in the top corner. And I was reading about them, and they grow really quickly. And I don't know if my plants are male or female or hermaphrodites, but I'm gonna put them out here in hopes that the bees pollinate them, and I get a little fruit this summer. So I bought these large pots from Costco, and it's been raining out here, and I realized they have no drainage holes. So the first thing I'm going to do is drill these two pots. I'm hoping that we can put them by the pool loungers, and in the summer, whether it's this one or in the future, we'll have a little shade and a little vibe going. I'll be using this to make a couple drills on the bottom of the pots, which I've already filled with, some tree branches, which is what I love to do when using big planters, because this is going to rot and provide more nutrients for the plant, and it doesn't require that much soil, so it's a little bit inexpensive. I'm gonna do 2 drainage holes. Simple. If you don't have a drill, freaking stab it with a hammer and nails. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the compost that I've created to put over the branches, and then I'll fill it up with soil. And I'm just gonna grab from the bottom and put it on top of the tree branches before putting in my fresh soil. My hope is that this weekend I can do a little research and find a companion flower to plant with papaya. I think that would look so beautiful. So in thinking of that, I am gonna put more dirt on this so that the papaya can sit a little taller. I always use my hands because I'm scared of ruining the root system. It's just a baby. It's just a little baby, but we love him. That pot was so heavy, so new idea. I'm gonna put the soil in the pot where it's gonna be. All from a seed! My gardening companion. Okay, I just trimmed a couple leaves for the pot below it. And now I'm gonna finish off, watering the papaya with some rainwater that I've been collecting. Can you see yourself on a pool lounger with these tall papaya trees and flowers and zinnias blooming around you? Do you see the vision? Do you see the vision? Thank you for joining me today, and I hope that you get out today and just play in some dirt. Have a good one. Bye-bye.